He wouldn't stop copying my work, so I copied his mistakes. Ethan always had the same move at work. Slide over during meetings, peek at my notes, borrow my reports, and magically, his projects looked suspiciously like mine. At first, whatever, take the free ride. But when he started getting credit for my ideas, game over. So next meeting, I made a decoy report. Looked perfect, polished, professional. But every stat, slightly wrong. Every conclusion, subtly flawed. Nothing obvious, just enough to sink his project quietly. As expected, Ethan borrowed it, showed it off, smiled like a genius. By the end of the week, his project collapsed. Managers asking questions, data not adding up. Ethan, sweating bullets. Meanwhile, my real report, perfect, clean, praised, funny. He doesn't copy my work anymore, probably because now he doesn't trust his own eyes.